Okay, so today we're looking at calculating food energy and energy used in exercise. So, what is the essential reason for counting calories or kilojoules? So, one of the widely accepted ways to maintain a healthy body weight uses food calorie tracking or calorie counting. I know I've done that before. Our body requires a certain amount of energy every day. And for us to be able to get up, to walk, to laugh, to run, all those kinds of things, we need energy for that. And one way of keeping track of how much energy you feed into your body is by counting the calories. There are other ways of doing it. For instance, where you can have more protein and less carbs. You could do the 5 and 2, which is sometimes fasting on days. What you really want to do is you want to be exerting and using up more calories than you're actually eating, okay? Because that means then you would lose weight, or keeping them the same means your weight would stay the same. All right, so food energy is measured in everyday units of calories. So those are called cal. And scientific units of K, it's a small K and a big J. All right, so you've got calories and you've got kilojoules. All right. For historical reasons, a food energy calorie is also called a kilocalorie. Okay, but we don't look at that very much. So 60 food calories equals 60 kilocalories. 1 calorie or kilocalorie equals approximately 4.2 kilojoules. So that's what you need to know, that 1 calorie is 4.2 kilojoules. Okay, so maybe write that down. Probably be a good idea to write that down. So there we go. We've got calories or kilocalories. We times that by 4.2 and we get a kilojoule. Or if we've got a kilojoule, we divide that by 4.2 to get our calories. So if you could also draw this diagram, pause me and draw this diagram, good idea. Let me show you, for example. If we have 60 calories, we times them by 4.2, and we get how many kilojoules we get? 252 kilojoules. So that's how we work that out. All right. Let's have a look at another example. So the government regulation requires nutrition information on labels, which I'm sure you've seen. And this label includes energy in kilojoules per serving or per 100 grams or 100 mils. So you see in this column here, it says per 100 mils. So always look at that column when you're looking at something. Your energy requirement varies with your gender. So women and men and women are different about how many energy requirement is, okay? Your age, how big you are, your activity level. All of that depends. So all of us would be different kilojoule levels. For average size 17-year-olds with low activity levels, which mean you don't do much exercise, the daily energy requirements are about 13,000 kilojoules for boys and 10,500 kilojoules for females. These daily requirements increase for people who are more active. And you can look it up. It depends on your height, it depends on your weight and your age. And then they tell you how many you should look up. So you can look that up if you need to. All right, so weight loss occurs when the body uses more energy than the food or the drink that you've consumed, okay? So one school of thought for dieting is the use of calorie counting. I know I've actually done that before. All right, so now they're going to say convert the following energy units rounding to the result to the nearest whole number. So they give you the example of 1,350 kilojoules to calories. Now, if you look at your diagram that you've done, you are going to divide by 4.2 and you get 321 calories. All right, so you can use your abbreviation, so little k, big J, or CAL as far as calories go. And let's do another one. 620 calories to kilojoules. So in this case, you're going to multiply by 4.2, and they've said to the nearest whole number. So make sure that you always do it to the nearest whole number. So, and make sure your answer has got the right abbreviation next to it.